Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my most recent Taobao haul. I believe this is like the 5th or maybe the 4th Taobao haul that I have on my channel. So this shows how much things I buy from Taobao like every single month. So for today's item, most of the things that I got are actually under the 299 free shipping to Singapore. Do let me know if you guys are interested to find out how I actually managed to get free shipping from China to Singapore. I would probably do another video on that if anyone requests for like such video. Okay, so let's begin on today's Taobao haul. The first item that I have are some small accessories. Okay, actually I did not purchase this. I have no idea what is this, but it says gift. So I believe it's like a free gift from the seller. Let me see what is inside. Oh, so it's like a scrunchie for me to tie my hair. Okay, since I did not wear any accessories on my hand, I will just like wear this over here. Looks so extra. Okay, the next item that I have is this clip. I actually bought like 3 of it, and like they're all the same. So I saw this like photo on Taobao. The model was actually wearing like a lot of like these clips on her hair and it looks so good. So I decided to buy like a few of these. Okay, let me just try on one of them. Okay, so this is how the clip looks like inside. Oh, so shiny, I like it. Okay, but it's very tiny, like the clip is really tiny. Let me just clip on my hair. So funny. Okay, I need to figure out what's the right way to wear this first. Let's move on to the next item. So what else do I have in my bag? Okay, so the next one is a pair of earrings. So as you know, like nowadays we have to wear masks. I will try my best to avoid those earrings that are like too dangling or too long, because it will be very difficult for me to like remove my mask or even to wear back my mask after I eat. So nowadays I'm going for like the minimalistic style. So most of the earrings that I bought are actually like this very simple kind. Even for the one that I'm wearing today is also very simple. So it's much easier for me when I need to wear my mask. So I decided to buy like a lot of this type of earrings. If you saw my previous Taobao haul, actually I bought like 2 pairs of earrings that are something like this also, which is what I call mask friendly earrings. Okay, so moving on to the next pair of earrings. It is this pair of earring and it's so nice. So like the color of it changes with light, and oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. It's so beautiful. Okay, so moving on, another pair of earring. So this is like a loop or circle with a tiny pearl on top. So it looks pretty good on the photo, so I just decided to buy it, and it's in matte gold. Okay, what else do I have in my bag? Okay, so another hair clip which is identical to the previous one that I showed you guys. Then I also have like some of the earring stoppers at the back of the earring. I mean for the back of the earring. Okay, so these are the accessories that I bought this time round. Then other than accessories, I actually bought a lot of clothes. Okay, not a lot of clothes, but quite a few pieces of clothes. So let's move on to the first piece of clothes that I have. Is a dress in the nude pink. This is a shop that I always buy my dress from because I feel that their cutting fits me so perfectly well. So this is how the dress looks like. I will insert a photo over here. At this area of the dress, it actually looks like this, which I think is very trendy nowadays. Like I see a lot of blog shops, even in Singapore, they do like this type of style. So it's just a very long dress, and I'll probably wear this to work. And I love the color. It's pink, but it's not so pink. I actually bought like 2 or 3 pink clothes this time, coincidentally. So yeah, this is the first dress that I bought, and pretty satisfied. The material is very good, and like I mentioned, I always buy like my dress from this shop. So I trust their quality a lot, which is why I'm willing to spend like more than, I can't remember how much this dress costs, but the price range of this shop is not that affordable, and if you convert the price from renminbi to Sing dollar, you can easily buy a decent dress in Singapore. But the reason why I always buy my dress from this shop is because I feel that their quality is very good, and even the design is very unique. It's something that I don't find very common in other Taobao shops, which is why I'm willing to spend like this kind of money on Taobao clothes. So yeah. Okay, moving on to the next piece of clothes. Oh, it's not clothes, swimsuit. So as you guys know, I've been like doing staycation a lot, and I'm thinking of going for another staycation soon because we are all stuck in Singapore and I need a life. If you are going staycation, I need to take some nice pictures in my not PJ, my swimsuit. So I feel that I've already like rotated most of my swimsuits in my closet, which is why I decided to buy like another set of swimsuits. So I also insert a photo over here. This is how it looks like, in case you won't be able to tell like how it actually looks on the model. This is a 2-piece swimsuit and this is how it looks on top. It's a halter neck and this is a high-waisted swimming trunks. Okay, anyway, why I chose high-waisted is because I've been eating a lot recently and I feel that let's not talk about that. So yeah, this is the reason why I chose high waist. Okay, so that is my swimsuit, and moving on to the next piece of clothes is this. See, another pink color clothes. I really have no idea that I actually bought so many pieces of pink clothes. Okay, so this is the next top that I bought. Is this pink top, which is very trendy recently because of Jenny. Like Jenny wore something like this in one of her photos, but hers was in green. Knowing myself very well, I know that I cannot pull off green because I'm pretty tan, so I decided to go for the pink one. Initially, I was thinking of getting like the beige or slightly towards the nude color, but I was afraid that if there is any like color difference in real life versus the photo, I might not be able to pull it off as well because I'm quite tan and I don't want to wear like a top that is similar to my skin color, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I decided to buy the pink color, and very thankfully there is no color difference. Like this is exactly the same color as what I saw in the photo, which is also what I imagined it to be. So yeah, very satisfied with this purchase, and I think I probably need to lose some weight before I wear this because like it only button this like 3 buttons and the bottom are actually like, how to describe this? No idea. Okay, so yeah, anyway, I love this a lot, and it looks very comfortable, so I can't wait to wear this. Okay, moving on to the next piece of clothes. Okay, let's talk about this first. So this is a spec top that I bought. Oh, it's pretty thick. Oh, but it's so soft. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a crop spec top, and I will just wear like this with a high-waisted shorts or high-waisted pants, depends on what I feel like wearing that day. And oh my god, the material is so soft. Oh, so soft, I love this. Okay, but there's a smell that I don't fancy. Okay, so this is how it looks like at the back. It's tied up and you can tie a tiny ribbon over here. And this is how it looks in front. Oh, I love this, so nice. Okay, I can't wait to wear this. I'll probably wear this out next weekend. So if you guys are interested to find out how I look in this, please follow my Instagram over here. Oh, I love this so much. It's so nice. Okay, matches my skin tone very well also. Okay, next item is this cardigan crop top, which is also very trendy recently. I see a lot of people wearing. So you can either wear this as a cardigan or you can just wear this itself as a long sleeve crop top. I think I will easily match this with my denim skirt or even jeans or shorts. So even though it's cropped, it's not as cropped as how I imagine it to be. And initially I was thinking of getting like the blue color, but usually when I buy like blue color clothes on Taobao, there's always color difference, except for this one, which is a very successful purchase. Okay, so I decided to go for the black one instead just to be safe, and the material is pretty good. It's not that thick. You can definitely wear this in Singapore, even if you go for a movie or even if you stay in aircon places. You can definitely wear this. You'll be very comfortable and it looks very like casual and very comfy. So the other way that I would imagine myself wearing this would be like I would just wear a simple spec top inside and I will just match this like tiny cardigan outside. So yeah. Okay, moving on to the next item, which is another pink shirt. I honestly don't remember myself buying like so many pink shirts. Okay, so this says baby girl, and I saw Mama Bong wore this on her Instagram, and turns out she bought it from Taobao also, and it looks really really good, and I really like the color. So it's not the kind of pink that is too pink, which I don't really fancy. So this pink is more towards like the baby pink, and I think it's really nice and it's really cute, which is why I decided to buy it. And yeah, looks pretty good, and it's also cropped, so I can't wait to wear this out. It's so nice, love it. And the material is pretty thin, so hopefully it's not too translucent. Okay, I don't think it's translucent. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oh, I love it, it's so nice. Okay, moving on to the next item. Okay, so I think this is the biker shorts that I bought. I'm not sure if you guys know about like the whole biker shorts, or like the style is very trendy this year. I see a lot of those Insta models or influencers wearing them on Instagram, and it looks really good, so I decided to buy them. So this is like a high-waisted shorts, but it's knee length, and it looks very good with like oversized t-shirt or even crop tops. So I've tried this the other day because I was so worried that I won't be able to fit. Okay, so this is how it looks like in front, and this is how it looks like at the back. So as you can tell, it's very high-waisted, and it's the normal jeans material. It's pretty stretchable, I would say, but it's not like super stretchy compared to my H&M jeans or my Topshop jeans, but it's pretty decent. And I'll probably just match this with like high waist, oversized t-shirts that I have, because I think it looks really good together. The thing about these length shorts, right, it will make people look shorter than they actually are. So I have this pair of like shorts that I bought from Editor's Market together with my friend. I will insert a photo over here. So when I wore this the other day, I have no idea why, I just felt so short. Like my friend is about 170 cm and I'm about 163, 164. It just made me look so short, or maybe I just feel like very short that day. I have no idea why. So I guess for like shorts that's this length, right, it tends to make people look shorter than they actually are. If I were to wear this out the next time, I'll probably like wear sports shoe with like a higher sole. Yeah, or even heels. See how. Okay, moving on to the last two items. So I bought myself badminton racket and shuttlecock because, like I said just now, it's like free shipping and I have no idea what else to buy. And this serves like a good motivation for me to exercise more, and also a good bonding session with Sean like over the weekends. So like there's badminton court below my house, and I seldom use it because I used to have this at home, but I have no idea where it is now. My mom probably like threw it away after all these years. So this badminton racket is actually of really good quality, and even like the handle part is also very comfortable. I've already used this like over the weekend. I went to play badminton with Sean over the weekends. So to my surprise, it's really good, and it's pretty affordable also considering the amount of money that I paid. So very happy with this purchase, and hopefully I will exercise more. I have no idea what is this brand, like probably some Chinese brand. It's really good. Yeah, I bought the shuttlecock also from the same seller, and the quality of this is like not the best, because the day like when we went to play badminton, we only used it for about an hour or so, then we decided to throw it away because it wasn't holding its shape very well after we played aggressively for like 30 minutes or an hour. But the badminton racket is really good. It feels very sturdy, and even though it's quite light, I mean, I'm not a badminton expert, so I have no idea like how heavy or how light the badminton racket is supposed to be. But based on my personal experience after using it for one badminton session, I think it's pretty decent, especially for girls. If you don't want to go for like heavy badminton racket, I think this is a good choice. Okay, so yeah, that's the badminton racket and the shuttlecock that I bought. Let me just quickly keep this. Oh, like my makeup today. So I'm only wearing concealer as usual. If you guys check out my most recent makeup video, as I mentioned in my video, I don't use foundation anymore because I don't want to clog my pores, and my skin condition has been really bad, and I don't want to like further irritate my skin, which is why I've been like skipping foundation for like every single day. And I have concealer, some blush and highlight on my face, and of course I've done my brows. So that's all I have on my face right now, and it looks really good. I love it. Okay, so moving on to the last item that I bought is this. Okay, I believe you guys have no idea what these are, right? So this is what they call the 厕所神器. So funny. Okay, so what this does is actually this is magnetic suction mouthwash cup, and this is supposed to be like automated toothpaste squeezer. So you just have to like install this on the wall of your toilet, and you no longer have to squeeze your toothpaste anymore. I know I sound like a lazy person, but this is so amazing. Like, imagine how much time you save every morning and every night when you brush your teeth. So you just have to like push gently, and this thingy will squeeze the toothpaste for you, if that makes sense. Okay, I will insert like video clips of how this is actually being used, because I've not yet installed it. I wanted to like install it over the weekend, but I was thinking I didn't have time to do like Taobao haul, so I wanted to show you guys like the packaging first. Okay, let me just quickly open it. I was thinking of showing you guys like the product inside before I asked Sean to install it for me. So this is how it looks like inside. It's wrapped pretty well. And okay, so this is the magnetic suction toothpaste cup, I guess. So I just have to put this on the wall, like probably like this side. Then this will be the cup that I'm supposed to use when I brush my teeth. I think there are two if I'm not wrong. Oh no, there's only one. Don't like this. Oh, there are two! Wow! Okay, I mean there's no point of giving me two because Sean doesn't even use like cup when he brushes his teeth, so I'm the only one who uses like cup, and two of us share the toilet obviously. So yeah. How to put this back? Oh, okay, like this. Oh, it's magnetic! Oh my god, so it will not fall. Wow, I'm so amazed. Wow, okay, so this is where I'm supposed to put your toothbrush. So this is like the first item that they come in two. So the next one is the automated toothpaste squeezer, which is what they call it. Okay, let me see how this looks like. Okay, so there's like a tiny instruction that teaches me how to install it, but I will leave that to Sean. Okay, so I guess I'm supposed to like put the toothpaste over here. So whenever you want to brush your teeth, you just have to like push or insert your toothbrush over here. So the toothpaste will be squeezed out by this thingy automatically. Actually not automatically, because you actually push it. You insert a pressure, then it comes out. So, but it's pretty cool, I guess. So I saw it on Taobao and just decided to buy it for fun. I was telling my mom, if it really works, I will buy one for you. But if it doesn't, then consider myself unlucky. So that concludes all the items that I bought for today's Taobao haul. Actually, I've just placed like 6 or 7 orders on Taobao yesterday. So for those items that I bought yesterday, I'll probably like accumulate them, and I will probably do another Taobao haul for that. So that concludes today's video. If you have any questions or any particular queries on any of the items that I bought, just comment down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more of such content. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!